How to fix no web results when using Windows Search. In this video I will show you few methods to fix the problem. First, open Services. Locate Windows Search Service.
If that didn't work,
right-click on Start and open Setting. Open Privacy and Security. Open Searching Windows. Click on Indexer Troubleshoot.
if that didn't work,
Open Edit Group Policy. Expand Administrative Templates. Expand Windows Component. Click on Search. Double-click on Allow Cortana. Select Enable. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Open Setting. Open Search Permission. Make sure these two are enabled. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.